What's up, Dotw family? Here we are back at it again. Your drink of the week is going to be highlighting the Aquila Cinnamon Rum. We're going to make the Aquila Cinnamon Lemonade. So this is a great cocktail for springtime, summertime, anytime you want something refreshing, tasteful, and with a little bit of a kick. And so why don't we go ahead and get into this cocktail and show you how it's made so you can make it for your family, friends, and maybe just yourself sitting by the fire drinking. All right, guys. Here we go. We're going to get into the video. But wait, before we do, I want to make sure that you like, share, subscribe, because a lot of you are viewing this video and not a lot of you are subscribed. So if you're viewing this video anywhere besides YouTube, then make sure you go ahead and go to YouTube, view, like, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about us so we can make more of these videos. And now, let's get into this cocktail. So the first thing we're going to start out with, of course, is the cinnamon rum. So Aquila Cinnamon Rum is a fantastic rum. You're going to enjoy this stuff. Like I said, 2 ounces into your shaker. Poison of choice. And next, you're going to use your favorite lemonade. I'm using an organic lemonade, and we're going to do 3 ounces. There's 2. And a half of that, that's 3. Next, we're going to make a little bit of honey syrup. We're going to add half an ounce to that into the shaker. And if you want to learn how to make that honey syrup, we've got a video. You'll be able to find it right here. We'll probably put a little tag for you to go ahead and jump into that and make that. Next, we're going to go ahead and put it into your shaker like you've been doing this whole time. Give it a good shake. Shake that up. You're going to grab your stuff on ice, so you have something to throw it into, and this is going to be absolutely delicious. We're going to go ahead and open this up, pour it over your ice, just like that. Leave a little bit of space for your soda water. Go ahead and top this with your favorite soda water, just to give it a little bubbly fizz. And then you're ready to throw in your garnish. We're going to garnish this with just a little bit of a sprinkle of powdered cinnamon. You can use a cinnamon stick if you'd like, just to give it a little color on top, and a beautiful little lemon wheel. And there you have it. That is your Aquila Cinnamon Lemonade. This thing is going to be wonderful, and you're going to enjoy it. All right, everybody, here we are. We're going to go ahead and give it the taste test and let you know what we think of it. Go ahead, JB, and tell me what you think.
It's really refreshing.
That is actually really good. You get the note of the cinnamon coming up into your nose from the cinnamon powder. Slight little citrus flavor from the lemonade, and the smell of that lemon right on top. And the cinnamon rum comes through beautifully. This is actually...
That's a really refreshing drink. Definitely a summer cocktail. Definitely a summer cocktail. It's good, too.
Yeah, I highly recommend trying this yourself, and... enjoy this with your friends, your family, and all of your social gatherings. This thing's amazing. This order is up, and whatever you do, if you like this kind of content and you want to see more, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you comment in the comments section. Let us know what kind of cocktails you would like to see, whether it's your own cocktail that you want to share with the world, or if it's a cocktail that you've had at a bar and you just want to know how to make it. Go ahead and comment down there, and make sure you subscribe. We love doing this kind of content for you guys. JB and I try and make something for you guys every single week, and we love the interaction with all of our viewers. So make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, give us that thumbs up, and go ahead and comment all you can. Thanks again. This order's up. JB, enjoy.
Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, everybody loves those dinosaurs, dinosaurs.
Yeah, that's I'm definitely making that for
that's
my
pretty
parties.
Good. That's really good.
That's...
I actually, I think the powdered cinnamon is actually a better option than the cinnamon stick, honestly, because you get...
I think that's perfect.
Yeah, you get that...
We need to make a recipe card with this.
Yeah.